Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to pay monthly with Affirm in 2025. Affirm is a popular financing option that allows you to pay for purchases over time with transparent and flexible payment plans. To get started, you will need to create an Affirm account or sign into your existing one. Once you have accessed your account, you can begin the process of paying monthly. First, review your purchase and ensure that you have selected Affirm as your payment method at checkout. After your purchase is confirmed, you will receive an email from Affirm with a link to set up your payment plan. Click on the link and follow the prompts to choose your payment schedule, which can range from 3 to 64 months, depending on the merchant and the purchase amount. When selecting your payment plan, consider your budget and financial situation to ensure that you can afford the monthly payments. You can choose to pay monthly, bi-weekly, or weekly, and you can also prepay your loan at any time without incurring any fees. Once you have chosen your payment plan, review and agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure to read the fine print and understand the total amount you will pay, including interest and fees. After you have confirmed your payment plan, you can manage your payments and account online or through the Affirm mobile app. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure that you never miss a payment. To avoid late fees, make sure to pay your monthly payment on time. If you are unable to make a payment, contact Affirm customer support to discuss your options. They may be able to offer temporary hardship programs or other assistance. In conclusion, paying monthly with Affirm is a straightforward process that can help you finance your purchases over time. By following these steps and considering your budget and financial situation, you can use Affirm to make purchases with confidence. Remember to review your payment plan carefully and make timely payments to avoid late fees and other issues.